January 14th, 2018. Got a little military or contractor. Comes up C25X. Of course, no information available. He is dumping. Heavy spraying all morning. That was left by Delta Spray Lines. Should be landing in Jackson right about now. This one's dumping. Big time. Now, how can a baby plane make a bigger trail than a big four-bagger? Oh, geez, I wonder how. Chemicals. What them trolls like to use? It's basic science. It's just basic science. Basic science, you're brain dead. Yeah, he is dumping. Sorry, tripod's a little stiff, so it's shaky. Military-Contractor C25X. You can see they're magically mixing their bullshit. Sheep act like nothing's going on. That's what military-contractor boy left there. Do that shit thing. You can see it's a little bit hazier than it was.